Good morning, ma'am. Now I am going to deal with the overview which is held in our class. First, I am going to deal with the Employees Compensation Act introduction, some basic introduction about Employees Compensation Act. This Employees Compensation Act is earlier known as Workmen's Compensation Act. This act is to provide some of the payments by certain classes of employees to their workmates of compensation from an injury by an accident. For first we can deal with section 3 to section 18 of this act, and next one is section 90 to 13 of this act. Now I am going to reverse just yourself section 19 to 30 of this act. Section 19 of this act deals with reference to commission, and section 20 deals with appointment of a commissioner, how a commissioner can appoint, and section 21 deals with the venue of proceedings of transfer, and section 22 of this act deals with a form of application. Section 22 clause A of this act deals with power of a commissioner to deprive further deposit in case of fatal accident. This accident happened to death. And section 23 deals with powers and procedures of a commissioner, and section 24 deals with appearance of parties, and section 25 of this act deals with the recording evidence, and section 26 of this act deals with the courts, and section 27 of this act deals with power of a statement case, some cases, and section 28 of this act deals with a registration of agreement, and section 29 of this act deals with the effects of a failure to register an agreement, and section 30 of this act deals with an appeal, and basically section 19 to 31 of this act lies under chapter 3 of our Employees Compensation Act. These are some of the overview of the section 19 to 30 of this act. And when we deal with this next which is first part which is held in our class, is that section 3 to 18 of Employees Compensation Act. Employees compensation refers to benefit that the employee receives in exchange from a service that provide their employer. Employees compensation is generally one of the largest cost or expense for any organization. Chapter 2 of Employees Compensation Act deals with section 3 to 18 of this act. The first one is section 3 of this Employees Compensation deals with the employer's liability for compensation, and section 4 deals with amount of compensation. If a death occur from an injury, then it is 50% from an amount, and the monthly wages it is calculated by a relevant factors, or 80,000 whichever. And section 5 of this act deals with method of calculating wages, how a wage can be calculated to a particular person, and section 7 of this act deals with the commutation of monthly payment, and section 8 of this act deals with distribution of compensation, and section 10 of this act deals with notice for claim, and section 10 clause A of this act deals with power to require from employee statement regarding a fatal accident, and section 11 deals with when medical examination of a person, and section 12 deals with that contracting, and section 13 deals with remedies of an employer against a stranger. Section 14 of this act deals with insolvency of an employer and employee, and section 15A of this act deals with a specific provision relating to a captains or other members of crew members in aircraft. This section deals with aircraft employees and aeroplanes, and section 16 of this act deals with the terms of computation, and section 17 deals with contracting out, and section 18 deals with penalties, and section 18A deals with penalties. These are the some of the. This act is mainly based on what is the amount of compensation, how the compensation can be given, and what is the power of a commissioner. Because if a person want a compensation, they can claim for commissioner, and if for damage they can claim in civil court. And this act is full and full basic. Basically deals with an employee's compensation and damages, and how an employee can get this, and what are the amount of this, and if he can't able to get the compensation, and how he can get by an appeal from a commissioner, and how the commissioner can be appointed, etc. These are some of the overview of this content. Thank you.